Passive side hustles you can start with little effort. Picture this. You wake up, check your phone, and you've made money while you slept. Sounds impossible? Think again. In 2025, passive income isn't just a dream, it's a reality. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money with minimal effort. If you've ever wanted to make extra cash without constantly working, then keep watching. Because these passive side hustles are not only easy to start, they could change your life. Before we dive in, here's the truth. Most people won't ever experience true financial freedom because they're stuck in the trap of working for every dollar. But what if I told you there was a way to break free without working 24/7? The foundation of passive income, why it's worth pursuing. First, let's talk about why passive income is so powerful. Unlike traditional jobs where you exchange time for money, passive income means you set something up once and let it earn for you over time. It's the ultimate financial hack, allowing you to earn while you sleep, travel, or even binge watch your favorite shows. Who doesn't want that? Imagine, instead of working harder, you could make your money work for you. But here's the catch. It's not about getting rich overnight. Building a passive income requires smart choices, consistency, and a little patience. But hold on, you might be thinking, passive income sounds great, but is it really possible for someone like me? Stick around, because I'm about to break down the top, easy-to-start passive side hustles that don't require you to be a tech genius or invest huge amounts of money. 1. Investing in dividend stocks. Let's kick things off with something that's been a staple of wealth building for generations: dividend stocks. This is one of the easiest ways to create passive income with minimal effort. All you need is to invest in companies that pay dividends. And as long as you hold onto those stocks, you'll receive regular payouts. These dividends can build up and become a reliable income stream without lifting a finger. You don't need a massive portfolio to start. Small investments can still make a significant difference over time. And the beauty of dividends is that the more you invest, the more you earn, passively. But how do you choose the right stocks to start earning from? Stay tuned, because I'll reveal a secret formula for selecting dividend stocks that could maximize your returns. 2. Creating an online course. Next up, online courses. If you've got a skill or knowledge that others want to learn, you can create an online course and earn money for years. Whether it's about photography, digital marketing, or even fitness, you can package your expertise into a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once your course is created, it's up to you to market it. But the best part? After the initial work, it's set and forget. You'll keep earning money every time someone enrolls, and the more people who find your course, the more you make. Passive and profitable. And hey, it doesn't need to be a 50-hour course. Even short, niche content can be a goldmine. 3. Affiliate marketing. Another incredibly powerful passive hustle is affiliate marketing. This one's perfect if you already have a website, blog, or social media following. Here's the deal. You promote products from companies you believe in, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key to success here is choosing high-quality products and sharing them authentically with your audience. If you do it right, you can set up a stream of income that's both passive and scalable. Wondering how you can boost your affiliate earnings without spending a ton of time? I've got a tip coming up that could skyrocket your income. Stick with me. 4. Rental income from property or assets. One of the most traditional forms of passive income is rental income. And no, you don't need to own a dozen properties to make this work. You can start small, like renting out a room in your home. Or if you're into cars, renting your vehicle through apps like Turo. You're essentially renting out assets you already own to make money, without putting in hours of work every week. Rental income can be a great way to build long-term wealth, especially if you invest wisely in assets that can generate revenue. And the best part? Once you set it up, you can let the money flow in passively month after month. Okay, but what if you don't own property or a car? Don't worry, I've got options for you too. Just keep watching. 5. Creating a YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube. You don't have to be a full-time creator to earn passive income here. If you can create content that people love and that keeps bringing in views over time, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Once your videos are up, they work for you 24/7, generating revenue from views. It's like having a content empire where you control what you make, and the money keeps rolling in with minimal effort after the initial upload. So how can you create content that's guaranteed to bring in passive income? I'll show you a few tricks in a second. Optimizing for long-term success. Now, let's talk about scaling your passive income streams. It's not just about starting a side hustle, it's about making it work for you in the long run. Whether it's through diversifying your income sources or automating your processes, there's a strategy for making these hustles grow over time. Building multiple streams of passive income means you're not relying on just one source. The more you set up, the more income you'll generate. And that's how you create a lifestyle where you're earning without constantly working. Mastering passive income, your path to financial freedom. Now you're probably wondering, how soon can I see results? The truth is, passive income takes time to build. But once it starts rolling in, it becomes a snowball effect. The more you invest in yourself, your assets, and your skills, the more your income will grow. Remember, passive income isn't about working less. It's about working smarter. Get started today and let your side hustle earn you money while you live your life. Which passive hustle are you going to start first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on strategies that could change your financial future.